Hi, my name is Sam. Let's learn together. Hello? Who is here?
Welcome, Sam. Step forward and seek the great black door. Step inside if you dare. You've been chosen. Somewhere in this place lies a Howl-o-ween costume like no other. Only it can unlock the doorway to the enchanted celebration.
I'm not sure the black cat costume suits me. I mean, I can't even meow. Let's try something else. I'm a bat. Flight cancelled. Dressed as an owl. Only mosquitoes scared. Brains! I'm a zombie, and I'm so hungry. Yuck! This potion stinks. No way I'm becoming a witch. Do I look too round in this? Or is that just part of the vibe? Dog by day, spider by night. Who's ready for a vampire bite? Fear my fangs! Skeleton dance. Probably too cute to pull off being a monster. I'm a mummy, sort of, mostly a mess. Hocus pocus, abracadabra, the real wizard has arrived. Just a dream. See you in the next episode. If you liked the video, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. Let's learn together.